Hey, good day, everybody. We're at the 7th of January, 2025. I'm going to cover the Santa Clarita real estate market this morning. Then we'll talk about some items that I believe buyers and sellers will find important as we are now past, well, we're actually at the end of the first week of 2025. But let's look at the numbers currently as they are. So right now in all of Santa Clarita Valley, 680 total listings. This is going to be Acton, Agua Dulce, Canyon Country, Castaic, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and Valencia. Of those listings, there are 14 that are coming soon, and they run the gamut throughout most of the cities. A majority of those coming soon listings are actually in Canyon Country. If you want to see where those are, you have to get them emailed to you. So if you have an agent, hit them up. If you don't have an agent, reach out to me. You can go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com/coming soon, or you can just give me a call on my cell phone at 661-400-1720. I will send you those properties. All I need is an email address and the cities you're interested in. And if you want to see all the cities and all the coming soon listings, fantastic. You can easily do that. I can send those to you very easily. We have 11 listings that are coming soon. Of those 14, so the other 3 are going to be Acton, Agua Dulce. We have 54 new listings that have hit the market. 42 properties have had their prices changed. This is a major move in the Santa Clarita Valley. We're seeing more prices changed as we enter the first week of 2025, and that's because the people that were trying to sell last year, they're now ready for the market, and that market's going to start to kick up. I did put in some Valencia numbers a few days ago talking about the market. Overall, we're going to watch an increase in the inventory as we get into the rest of January, then into February and March. Right now, at the over 600 level, we're probably going to see that increase. Maybe almost double by the time we get here to summer, but it's going to depend on the buyer drive, and that has been healthy throughout the holidays. So what we're going to be seeing is the buyers out there that are looking to purchase, they're going to have their competition vector increased when they have other buyers that are interested in those same properties. Sellers as well, you're going to have more competition in your neighborhoods as far as people wanting to sell their houses as well. One of the things I would tell you to look out for, make sure that your values are correct going in. When you're looking at the values, trying to figure out how much you should be pricing your property for, you want to look at the sold properties that are within the last 180 days. Then you need to factor in how long it's going to take to get your property on the market, and then potentially how long it's going to take it to close. So for example, if you have a listing that you're using as a good comparable, something that's very close, apples to apples in comparison to your particular listing, I do this for my sellers, you want to look at those listings that have been longer, have the longer closed time frames in the historical data. So if you have something that you're looking at a comp from 150 days ago, for example, and that particular, it's going to take you another couple weeks to get your property ready for sale, that comp might not be available for the appraiser that's looking at the value on your property for that particular buyer that you happen to accept their offer. And if the other comparables are less than that one solid comp, you might be in for a little bit of exciting time when the appraiser comes back and says your property doesn't value out at that. But that's something to explore with your agent. Your agent should be very versed in that if they have any time in the business and they have a successful track record. That brings me to the buyer component. Right now we do see buyers are looking at these agreements that they're now having to sign, trying to see if their agent is worth the commission that they're going to be charged, ultimately if the seller doesn't pick up the tab. That's something you want to then verify online. Find out where your agent is. Are they on systems where they're paying for, or are they on systems where they have organic traffic generated because they're adding value to the real estate market? They're educating people. They're showing people the best way to approach real estate, and they're talking about the pitfalls and what to watch out for in the real estate market. I've been doing this since 1998. That is what I talk about to my clients, both my buyers and sellers. They know where my brain is as far as the real estate market. It is my craft, so I study up on it every single day by doing these daily videos, looking at the real estate data, and then providing that for the people out there that are looking to get real estate information. I know real estate, this particular data isn't exciting unless you're interested in the market. I don't have monkeys dancing around, or I'm not in scantily dressed clothing, but I do my best to try to keep everybody updated, so when you need it or know somebody that does need real estate advice, you can send them my way. I'm Connor with Honor. It is my pleasure. When you're ready, reach out to me. I'm at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. We'll talk to you soon, and thank you so much for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with another real estate update.